This is 30 days spoken Maasai language and culture orientation. My name is Teto Weletutuma. We continue with beliefs and worship, and today I wish us to pay attention to the celestial bodies, particularly the moon and the sun. The Maasai believe they have a folktale that once the moon and the sun got married, and as all domestic situations present, they fought, and unfortunately the moon badly injured the sun, who is presumed to be the he in this particular narrative. The sun also damaged or did bad dents on the moon's face, but something strange happened here. The sun was so enraged that the moon gave him injuries on the face that he declared that no one ever will see his face again. And so why the sun shines as bright as we normally see bright, why it shines like that, the Maasai believe, is because of the dents that the moon put on his face that he wishes that no man would ever see. The moon, on the other hand, also sustained injuries, but she was never ashamed of these injuries and believing that this is the course of nature, this is the way of the mortal. She always allows us to see, her face and to sort of sympathize with her. And always from that day they never stayed the same again. They always follow each other, and after a few days the sun outruns the moon. After a few weeks the sun outruns the moon, and then the moon rests for about 3 or 4 days, and then after that the donkeys first see the moon starting to follow the sun again, and then another day after another day, that's when men start to see the moon. Also, the Maasai believe, when there's a solar eclipse or a lunar eclipse, they believe that the sun or the moon has died, and once that happens, everybody runs to the Manyata, to the center of the Manyata. Nobody stays in the house when there's an eclipse, when the moon or the sun is dead. Nobody stays in the house. And everybody comes out, and the women and the children chant, sun, if that's a sun that has got into an eclipse, or if it's a moon, they chant, moon come to life, moon come to life until the eclipse is over. Or they chant, sun come to life, sun come to life until the eclipse is over. Another important element of the belief that I thought we really need to see today is the aspect of number 9. Number 9 is very is very spiritually significant to the Maasai. It's a special number, and it's a number that corresponds to so much of their accounting, including settlement of disputes and things like that. This number is connotative. It has a special meaning, and even the Manyatas, sometimes when they have these rites of passage, they also are factors of this number. There could be multiples or divisions of this number 9. And why is number 9 special? The Maasai believe that a human body naturally has 9 openings. Can you imagine? Yes. The anus, the urethral opening, the mouth, 2 nostrils, 2 ears, and 2 eyes. And so that is what makes the number 9 significantly spiritual or spiritually significant to the Maasai. I don't know which one comes before the other, but for how important this number is, I thought we should hear it today. So until tomorrow's video, take care.